Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Southwest Airlines error code 400621357. The error reads, "Unable to price itinerary." As per our research, the error mainly comes when users try to change a flight booking. The process fails, and this error prevents the itinerary from being updated. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a system-side issue from Southwest Airlines. And it's not something that can be fixed from the user's end. Our suggestion will be to contact the Southwest Airlines support team and report the issue. They will be able to assist you further and help with making the changes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.